Ultimate Indonesian food guide for tourists, best veg and non-veg cuisine movie camera. Welcome to the Ultimate Indonesian Food Tour. Ramen Fire Indonesia is a food lover's paradise, known for its rich spices, diverse flavors, and delicious street food. Whether you're a vegetarian or a meat lover, this country offers a wide variety of must-try dishes that will blow your mind. Right finger in this video, we'll take you on a journey through the best veg and non-veg cuisine in Indonesia that every tourist should experience. Palm tree fork and knife with plate green salad. Veg and non-veg street food delights. Nasi goreng, Indonesia's signature fried rice. Seedling veg, meat. Non-veg, what is it? Cooked rice. Indonesia's famous fried rice, cooked with sweet soy sauce, garlic, shallots, chili, and sometimes shrimp or chicken. It's topped with a fried egg and served with crackers. Where to try it? Street food stalls, warungs, local restaurants, luxury hotels, gourmet versions available. Veg option. Ask for vegetable nasi goreng with tofu or tempeh instead of meat. Satay, Indonesia's famous skewered meat. Seedling veg, meat. Non-veg, what is it? Juicy, grilled skewers of chicken, beef, lamb, or even tofu, served with a rich peanut sauce. Where to try it? Jakarta's famous street markets. Bali's beachfront food stalls. Bandung's night markets. Veg option. Try sat tempeh, tempeh satay, a delicious vegetarian alternative. Bakso, Indonesia's addictive meatball soup. Meat. Non-veg, what is it? Stew, a rich meatball soup served with noodles, tofu, and crispy shallots. Where to try it? Bakso carts on the streets of Jakarta. Bike, traditional warungs. Famous bakso stalls in Yogyakarta. Veg alternative. Try bakso tahu, a vegetarian version made with tofu and mushrooms. Best vegetarian dishes in Indonesia. Gado-gado, the ultimate Indonesian salad. Seedling veg, what is it? Peanuts, a mix of boiled vegetables, tofu, tempeh, and eggs, all covered in a creamy peanut sauce dressing. Where to try it? Street vendors in Jakarta. Traditional food courts. Vegetarian cafes in Bali. Pro tip: ask for extra peanut sauce and a side of rice cakes. Lontong. Sayur lodeh, coconut vegetable curry. Seedling veg, what is it? A delicious coconut milk-based curry with long beans, carrots, and tempeh. Where to try it? Javanese restaurants. Bali's vegetarian cafes. Local home-cooked food stalls, perfect for spice lovers. Add extra sambal, chili sauce, for a spicy kick. Nasi uduk, fragrant coconut rice. Seedling veg, meat. Non-veg, what is it? A flavorful coconut-infused rice dish served with tofu, tempeh, or fried chicken, along with sambal and pickled vegetables. Where to try it? Local food stalls in Jakarta. Street vendors in Bali. Vegetarian-friendly cafes. Veg option. Ask for nasi uduk with vegetables and tempeh instead of chicken. Indonesia's best non-veg dishes. Rendang, the world's most delicious dish. Meat. Non-veg, what is it? A slow-cooked beef dish made with coconut milk, lemongrass, galangal, and spices. Where to try it? Padang restaurants, authentic rendang from West Sumatra. Luxury Indonesian restaurants. Home-cooked meals in traditional villages. Fun fact: rendang was voted the world's best dish by CNN Travel. Ikan bakar, Indonesian-style grilled fish. Meat. Non-veg, what is it? Fish. Fresh grilled fish marinated in turmeric, garlic, and chili, served with sambal and rice. Where to try it? Jimbaran Beach, Bali. Enjoy with a sunset view. Sunrise seafood markets in Lombok and Sumatra. Street stalls and night markets. Perfect pairing. Try ikan bakar with spicy sambal mata, Balinese raw chili sauce. Sop buntut, Indonesian oxtail soup. Meat. Non-veg, what is it? Meat, a delicious oxtail soup cooked with spices, tomatoes, and potatoes, served with rice. Where to try it? Traditional restaurants in Jakarta and Yogyakarta. Local street food stalls must try for meat lovers. Indonesian desserts and drinks. Es cendol, Indonesia's best iced dessert. Seedling veg, what is it? Ice cream, a refreshing cold dessert made with pandan-flavored rice flour jelly, coconut milk, and palm sugar syrup. Where to try it? Street vendors in Jakarta, local markets in Yogyakarta, snowflake perfect for hot weather. The best of Indonesian food. Fork and knife with plate. Indonesia offers an incredible variety of food for both vegetarians and non-vegetarians. Whether you love spicy, sweet, or savory dishes, there's always something new to try. Sparkles, which dish are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments. Down finger loudspeaker. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more epic food and travel videos. Bell airplane.